So today I'm going to show how to install gromacs, the latest version in Ubuntu. So for that we need the essential builds to compile the gromacs and other softwares. So I'm going to use apt-get to install the essential builds, and gfortran compiler. We need autoconf and automake and CMAKE to install gromacs. So I already have all these builds, the latest version, so it actually say that I already have the latest version. So to move on to the next step, we need to download GSL library, which is actually essential for some analysis tools in gromacs. So you can download GSL library from this site, which I'll be giving it in the description section. So go on to download this. You can download the latest version, the stable version, and then we need, I already downloaded, so download tar.gz file for the Linux system. So then we need fftw. You need to download fftw. You can save that. We already did. And then we need gromacs latest version. So you can go into the download source code and the latest version of gromacs. You can download. I already downloaded all these files in this particular folder. Then the first step is to install GSL library. So to install GSL library, we need to untar that. So tar xvfz GSL is the command to untar. Once you untar, you will get a folder name called GSL-2.25. Go inside that folder, and then we need, you can read how to install. There is a specific instruction for how to install this GSL library. So it's simple to install this. So it's first we need to configure. Prefix will define where you want to install the software. So I prefer installing it in /opt folder. So and then you can also do make as well as make install. So this make install requires a super user permission because I am installing it in the apt directory. So if you don't have a super user in permission, you can always go and change this path, and then you don't need sudo here. So it will take a while to install. So once it is done, we can make the fftw libraries. Yeah, so once it is installed, we are going to install fftw now. So to install fftw, first tar fftw, unzip the fftw, go to that particular fftw folder. You have a config file and you can actually read install for various options in the configuration. So to install it, we need to do configure, disable float, enable threads, enable SSE2, PREFIX. So I'm going to install in this path, and then make sudo make install. This will take some time to install, so go and sip a coffee and come back. Once it is done, if you don't have any error, go to the previous directory and then go on to untar the gromacs. Once you are done with that, go to gromacs folder and create a directory called build by the command mkdir build. I already created the folder, so once you are done with that, go to build directory and then we need to use CMAKE for this. So CMAKE, so to utilize GSL and fftw, which we have already installed, we use this CMAKE prefix path. So I install fftw inside opt and GSL inside the opt, and we are going to use CMAKE to the previous directory where all the files we have. Then where we need to install the gromacs, give the path. I'm going to install gromacs and /opt 5. It's 2018. And there are some options to accelerate the gromacs performance. So use these. So I'm going to install double precision. And then switching on the DSL. X11 libraries, as well as if you are using double precision, turn off the GPU. If you want to use GPU, you can turn on, but you need to install CUDA, which I'll give in the next tutorial maybe. So once you are done with this step, it will create the make file to install gromacs. So once you are done, make and make install. This will take a while to compile everything, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Once it is done, you can use gromacs. Yeah, wait for some time and come back. So once it's done, we need to source gromacs 2018 bin gmx.grc.bash, and then you can run gromacs using gmx. You can test it by running gmx. If it is installed, then it will run. It will give you these options. So for example, if you want to generate gmx-f-h will give you all the options. Yeah, we have actually installed gromacs successfully. So next tutorial I'll be giving you guys some tips about VMD. So subscribe my channel for more tutorials on molecular modeling